guys, welcome back to a little piece of Heaven Farm. My parts came in from my tractor. I've got my cable for it, battery cable, positive and the negative one. Got the connectors. And the one part here I want to show you, I got this. Kind of like a quick connect. One for the positive, one for the negative. So I'm going to get those on there. And the idea behind this, when you stick this on the battery post, before you crimp it on, you tighten this up onto the battery post, tight, not super tight, but snug. And then you take this little lever and push it in, and that will tighten it onto the post really tight. And then when you want to take it off, you just flip that off and it comes right off. Comes with all kinds of different battery cable in there, of course. And you got other little posts here, 4 of them. So anyway, this is what I'm going to put on my tractor. So let's get going. Oh, it also comes with these little washers, cloth washers, little bit connectors, and an Allen wrench. I'll link all this down below in the description so you guys take a look at it. And another thing I got was some silicone electric compound. It's kind of like a grease you put over your electrical components, like on top of your battery post and whatnot. It'll help prevent corrosion. So once I get everything all put together, I'm going to put this on it. All right, first up, I'm going to get this wire set up. This package here came with some crimping connectors. Time to work on my battery cable. This little shrink, it's a heat shrink tubing. I'm going to put that on there first. Go ahead and get him on. Right, and then just twist it. It should go right on there. Crimp it down. I know they got a special tool for that, but I don't have one. It is, it's on there pretty good. Get this little heat shrink on there. There we go. Alright, that's one thing I forgot here is something to heat that with. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a little heat gun here. So, heat that up. There you go, just like that. All right, Time to get the other end connected up. Comes with an Allen wrench. Tighten those down. Kind of tighten them down evenly. There we go. There we go. Just like that. Okay, I'll get the rest of these wires all ready to go, and then I'll take you over to the tractor. Okay, I'm out here by the tractor. I already removed the battery, so we need to get this battery cleaned up. And little post cleaners. Okay, I'll show you how this works. This is the negative side cable. Let's go ahead and stick that on there. You could tighten this up until it's snug. Make sure this is out. Tighten that up till it's snug, where you could still take it off. Then you just cramp this in. There you go. Tight connection. And then to get it undone, you just unclamp it. Comes right off. You should only have to adjust here only one time when you first put it on. And you adjust this where it's snug. Test it, because you should be able to take it off. Once you get to where you like it, then you just clamp this over. And there you go. And that gives you a tight fit. All right. I don't know if you can see this or not. You just pull this little cover off, and you gotta unbolt that. All right, that takes it off the starter. All right, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna see if get this electrician tape off from here, so we can save this and put it over on the new cable. Yeah, got it out. All right, time to feed this new cable through. All right, and I'm going to put that sleeve back on there. Just slide that through. Kind of line it up like that. All right, I'm going to secure it with some electrician tape. All right, time to go slap this on the starter. There we go. Sleeves back on there. Good to go. Okay, now I'm going to put these wires here back on the clips that are on here. That will hold it up. Okay. And get these little felt washers. Obviously red's on positive, green's on negative. That just helps with the corrosion. And to help it any further, I'm going to put some of this on there. Silicone electric compound. I'm going to spread that around the terminal. That'll help with the corrosion. All right, time to get things hooked up, which is pretty simple. You just tighten this up here. Make sure that part is open. Make sure this is open. And then you just tighten this here till it's, you can't tighten anymore. Don't want to crank on it or anything. Just finger tight. See how it still moves? Finger tight. And then go ahead and push this lever in. And you can feel it tighten right up. There you go. Well, that kind of moved a little bit, so it made me undo it. Tighten it up some more. Finger tight. And cramp it down. There you go. It's nice and snug. So you got to make sure this lever is facing this way. Make sure it's in that divot, that black washer there. Make sure it's in that divot. And you just tighten this down till it's snug, and then clamp it, and that'll tighten it the rest of the way. All right, let's go ahead and get this positive feed going. You just screw this part in till it's snug, finger tight. Don't use a wrench, pliers, or anything like that to tighten it down, because you want it to be loose so you take it right off. It gives the idea of quick connect. Anyway, put it on there, finger tight, and then this lever here, you just push it right over and you can feel it getting tight. Yeah, that's really tight. See? There you go. Okay, I got one more wire I got to hook up. That's what these extra terminals are for up on top. Take that one all the way off. Tighten that one down. There you go, nice and tight. And put some more of this compound on here. Help with corrosion. It is all hooked up and ready to go. Yeah, like I said before, I probably said it so many times. You just finger tight this. It's still going to feel, you're still going to be able to move this. Just get it finger tight. Don't crank on it. And this here is what you push over when that tightens up. See, it's already getting really tight right there. See, it doesn't move. But you undo it, and it comes off easily. Clamp that down. It doesn't move. Alrighty. I'm going to see if this, what I did here, solved my problem. I think it should, because it was badly corroded. Anyhow, let's give it a test start. Problem solved. All right, guys, well, that solved the problem. Just clean off those battery terminals. I got new wire and connector because they were badly corroded, and that seemed to have solved my issue there. All right, I can back to work and cleaning up this ice storm damage I have around the property. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by and checking out my repair and my tractor. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.